Sarcasm and trolling is included.
Imagine you have $100 in a trading system that guarantees you a 10% daily compound interest. It means that on the first day you earn 10% of your deposit, which is $10, and your account now has $110. On the second day it's 10% again, but this time it's calculated from $110, which means $11 in profit. By the end of the second day you have $121. Third day it's $133.1, fourth $146.41, etc. If we maintain this progress, in 3 months we will earn more than $584,000, and in 6 months it would be more than $3 billion. So 6 months and you are a billionaire. Sounds too good to be true. So why are there so many people trying to sell me their trading system that can triple my investment within 1 week? Mind you, it's much better than our 10% daily compound interest strategy. Let's calculate. First week, if we triple our investment, it's going to be $300. 2 months, it would be more than $600,000. If the system works that well, why are they trying to sell it to me? Should I try it? Maybe I'm going to be rich? If you are tempted to try it, stop. And if you are a scammer, please
stop it. Get some help.
Day trading is surrounded by legends and myths and promises of unbelievable returns if you are only give someone a substantial deposit you will never see again. Obviously, by relying on some common sense, it's very easy to spot things that are simply unrealistic. However, all scams aside, trading is kind of shrouded in mystery as there are so many misconceptions about it. For instance, is day trading as profitable as it sounds? Do you need to try it? How would you do it and what results you going to get? When I started trading, the only knowledge I had was my master's degree in finance. I traded for 2 years. Of course, I lost money, so I stopped and didn't trade till 2017. When I began learning everything there is about investment, trading, finance, literally everything. I knew people who could support themselves through day trading, so I decided to give it a try again. Guess what? 2 years later, in 2019, I was still not earning money. Until recently, when I finally realized that rather than relying on one technique at a time and freaking out about every trade, I can combine all my experience and actually try to enjoy it and have fun. Did I decide to give trading another chance? In 2020, I stopped losing money and began to earn. I do get profits, but they are small compared to what so-called gurus promise everyone. Trading is and can be a good source of income with a small account and can outperform most hedge funds. However, to do it long-term profitably is very hard.
That's what she said!
The first misconception that people have about trading is that once you do it, you will be rich. So if your question is trading as profitable as some promise? I would say it depends. It depends on who you are, your experience, background, luck, etc. 98% of people lose money when trading. 1% don't lose but also don't earn, and only 1% is actually earning money. So is it profitable? For some people, yes, but for the majority of people, no. If you decide to trade, lower your expectations when it comes to getting massive returns right away. When you trade, you compete with others like you, professional traders, exchanges, and automated bots that are way quicker than humans, though they do have their own limitations. The most important thing in day trading is that results aren't guaranteed. You learn constantly, react, and adapt. You sit and wait for an opportunity, and there will be plenty of frustrations on this journey. The guy who promises you that everyone can do day trading, even your grandma and her dog, is he right or wrong? To day trade, you need the right knowledge, and this activity isn't for everyone. Is it a good skill to learn? Sure, but think of it this way. When you play poker and you are unsure of your strategy, you don't have the full knowledge or enough experience, the game is a gamble. However, if you are a professional player, I doubt you would consider poker a gamble. Same goes for trading. Without knowledge, you are not trading but rather betting your money. So learn as much as you can, acquire that skill because it is a good foundation if you later want to try investing, for example. One of the most important takeaways of learning trading is an attitude. That need to grab that opportunity and control risks, which are actually skills that can be applied anywhere. There are 4 essentials of day trading: risk of each trade, or as it's called, position size, successful orders win rate, reward to risk, number of trades. Understanding all these factors will help you become one of the successful traders. Risk for each trade is the most important factor. You should determine a risk percentage for your account which you can realistically handle. Usually it is 1 or 2%. For example, for $10,000, 1% would be $100, which means you can lose maximum of $100 per trade in a day. If the risk exceeds it, just close your deal, turn off your computer and do something else. Reward to risk is the ratio of how much you are winning on winning trades to the amount of how much you lose on losing trades. For example, 2 to 1 would mean for each 2% you earn, you lose 1%. 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Win rate is another essential concept which indicates how many trades you win expressed as a percentage. For example, for each 100 trades, you have 55 successful trades. In other words, you have 55% win rate, and for each 1000 trades, 550 successful trades would indicate a 55% win rate. Win rate and reward risk are connected with each other. If your reward risk is high, you can earn profits even if your win rate is low. And if your win rate is high, you can lose money if your reward risk is too low. For example, your win rate is 50% and your risk reward is 2 to 1. And from each successful deal, you get a 2% profit. If you made 10 successful trades per month and 10 losing trades per same month, you will still get a 10% return. In the end, it is a game of statistics. Your goal most likely would be to maintain a win rate of more than 50% and reward risk somewhere around 1.5 to 1. So you hear all this and you're thinking, should I try it? If it interests you, learn it, try it, and figure out if you enjoy it or not. If you come for a quick buck, don't trade. You will repeat all the mistakes made by others. If you are ready to invest not only money but your time and effort, then you will learn the necessary skills and techniques and will finally have a chance of earning profit. So if you decide to do it, choose your market. Of course, your starting capital will decide it. For example, to trade futures, you will need around $7,500 to start. For stocks, it would be $25,000, and for crypto, it would be $5. The bigger your deposit, the more difficult it would be to keep up with percentage profits, and the harder it would be to maintain this capital. The majority of small traders' funds can generate high percentage of returns, while for big funds, it would be smaller returns. The bigger money, the bigger disturbance is on the market. So what are the choices you have if you are doing it well? Option 1 is to continue, keep it as a hobby or a source of passive income. Option 2 is to do it professionally. For example, go to a company where you can become a full-time day trader. They will provide you with the initial capital account and a risk control. Using it well, you can increase the amount of capital you trade. If you have been doing it for a long time and cannot earn, there is an option of becoming a guru or opening a school. A lot of those who are selling you trading techniques are these kinds of people. Don't get me wrong, some of them are exceptional traders, but most of them are not. So if you decide to give day trading a chance, I would like to give you some suggestions. Try to relax and have fun, but be persistent and serious about it. Trading can be very stressful, which is why make it your hobby and have as much fun with it as possible. It can be a very demanding activity. In fact, I know a lot of successful traders who all transitioned into investing, and most of them do not trade any longer. Why? Day trading can help you accumulate starting capital, but as you grow, it will be difficult to sustain it. Do only what you understand. Every successful trader is professional only a specific part of the market, whether it is stocks or crypto. Even then, it narrows down to favorite stocks or crypto trading pairs. Understanding what you are doing and why is the key to success in this field. Stocks, bonds, crypto, almost all financial instruments can be executed with day trading. Try to stick with something you can give explanation to. Do not believe anything and check everything. Filter through the information because there is a lot. Risk control. Manage risk control, the rule which cannot be compromised. Never risk your entire capital. Always know when to stop. Only real money. Never use demo accounts. As I said before, you can use $5 to try it or as much as you can afford to lose. And the most important thing is to believe in yourself. If you believe it, you can do it. This was our video for today. If you would like to understand more about trading, finance and crypto, you can always check our channel. I'm Vlad. See you in the next episode.